How to convert BNB to USDT on Binance. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert BNB to USDT on Binance. Quick, safe and easy, so let's get started. First things first, open the Binance app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Now tap on the Bitcoin icon at the top left corner of the screen. From there, tap on More Services. Scroll down until you find the Trade section. As you can see here, now simply tap on Convert. Here, as you can see, you can choose from and to. Simply on from section, choose BNB, and in to section, choose USDT. Now you need to simply type in your BNB amount or your BNB. You need to know that 7,800 is the maximum amount. Now once you've done that, simply tap on Preview, and now Binance will show you the preview, and it will show you the type, transaction fees and rate for this. Once you've done that, you can simply tap on Confirm, and that's how you simply convert BNB to USDT on Binance.